Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Terrence coming to you today, and today I want to shoot a quick video about do credit repair companies work? And the answer to the question is, do they work? I would say yes, they absolutely do work. And here's the reason why. They work because I've seen it for myself. However, typically a lot of people have mixed reviews when it comes to do credit repair companies work. And one of the reasons is that they don't follow through. Okay, meaning if you're going to work with a credit repair company, they're going to ask you for items. Okay, they're going to ask you to prove certain things, and if you can't prove those things, all right, then they're not going to be able to work on your behalf. It's sort of kind of like having an attorney, in which you really do need to have an attorney, okay, to write out these letters. However, it's like, right, you wouldn't go to court without an attorney, would you? So it's one of those things where you don't want to be repairing your credit without an attorney representing you, okay, and speaking on your behalf. Now, maybe you're good enough to where you can word and write things as if you're an attorney, but I wouldn't recommend doing so, especially if you don't practice law. With that being said, I want to share with you what happened in my experience, in which I was searching for a company online to repair my credit, and I ran across a company who repaired my credit, and they did a great job. They have attorneys on file that did the work on my behalf. The services did work for me because whenever they asked me for something, I got it to them right away. Anytime they needed me to produce or do anything, I did it right away. So the answer to your question is, do credit repair companies work? I'm going to say yes, they absolutely do, barring that you do your half as well. So with that being said, I'm going to leave a couple of links in the description, all right? One of the links is going to be with the company who repaired my credit, okay? And they repaired my credit. They were so good with it that I became an agent, okay? Because I was so blown away. And I'm also going to leave a link to a credit repair company for the individuals who would like to repair their credit themselves. Because again, I must say, when you're doing your credit repair yourself, if you don't have the background, it's a strenuous process, and it could take 3 months to a year depending upon how good you are at writing these letters. You know, I like to say it's almost like writing a grant. You know, it's like you have to really know what you're doing. But there are people out there that may be able to do it. So if that's one of you, hey, more power to you. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go and you're going to get access to a credit repair course where you would be able to learn how to write these different letters out to the credit bureau agencies. So with that being said, my name is Terrence. I'm signing off right now. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. You're going to see my name and link and the web addresses to the websites that I'm referring to. And until then, your next level is now. You have a great day.